I'm going to show you how to link nodes and build connections in Obsidian. So to get started, you have to open your Obsidian first, and as you can see all the nodes here. So we need to create a link in those nodes and then build connection. So all you have to do is just how to link your nodes in Obsidian. All you have to do is just go to press this the bar button, which is this one. So to open and build connection, you can just have to go to nodes that you wanted to connect a link or node. So from here, let's say this demo is first thing to do is copy your Obsidian nodes, then press this double bar twice. So I'm just going to select a node from here and then click on the double bar. And then once you locate it on your keyboard, it will show you all the nodes that you have. So from here, I'm just going to choose the demo node to connect on this tutorial node. So from here, you just have to press enter, and you can see now that the demo node is already linked into your tutorial node. So you can preview it by clicking control and then viewing it there, or you can just have to click the demo node, and it will redirect you again to the next node that you have. So you just have to click that and it will redirect you to the linked node. So that's pretty much it. Then you can also add more nodes, or you can link more nodes in your other nodes by pressing the same thing, by clicking the double bar and then select a node that you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how to link nodes and build connections in Obsidian.